Leslie.
And Lexi.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon.
Happy 4th of July!
Woo!
Wow, that was loud.
Well, you know, when you're celebrating a party, you got to celebrate big.
It's true. And we have big gifts and sales for you.
But first of all, we have to say happy birthday, United States of America.
Happy birthday to us.
We won't kill you with our singing.
Sounds like cat claws.
Yeah, anyway, we are celebrating the 4th of July, picnics,
Barbecues, fireworks.
day off from work.
Yes.
Yeah.
4-day weekend up in here.
Yeah, so anyway, to celebrate, no party is really that great, especially a birthday party without a really good present, right?
Yes.
So Lexi,
They're like, what?
yes. So what do we have?
So, for orders over $50, we are not only doing free shipping,
Whoa.
but we are also giving you a free full-size 17 ml color gel.
Oh, wow, that's exciting.
So at checkout, you have to put in the comments if you either want peekaboo.
we and the theme here is a red and a blue, right?
Yes, of course. We don't want to do green and yellow.
No, go Ducks. Sorry.
Peekaboo for the perfect blue for
Oh,
4th
it's a
of July.
great blue.
And then the perfect red, spicy in Spain.
Yeah.
So you get to choose one of these at checkout, full size, which we've never done before.
We have never done. We are in such a giving spirit because Lexi and I love birthday parties.
Well, I love 4th of July.
And the country's getting a year older, not me. So I celebrate even more. Oh, we hope you have a wonderful time celebrating the 4th of July. Be safe, have fun, and don't forget to get your free gift. And I always have to say, one per person.
Because we know if you cheat, we're
Well-
always watching.
Well, we want to make sure there's enough for everybody.
Yes, we do.
Okay. Well, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Have a good weekend.
Bye.